Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I am making Suji Teatime Biscuit. Crispy, light and perfectly sweet for your tea break. A simple homemade biscuit with a delightful crunch. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 egg, 1/4 cup sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves completely. Homemade biscuits are fresher than store-bought ones. Add 1 cup Suji or Semolina, 2 tablespoons milk powder. Mix well to form a soft dough. Suji gives a unique crunchy texture to biscuits. Keep aside for 10 minutes to rest. Now take small portion of the dough. Do not skip resting the dough. Make pattern with a spoon. You can create simple patterns for a nice look. Heat oil and fry in medium heat. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry on medium heat for best crispiness. Fry for 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Keep shape small for even frying. Simple ingredients can create delicious snacks. Suji provides energy and easy to digest. Homemade biscuits are more hygienic. You can control sugar and oil levels. Remove and let them cool slightly. Milk powder adds extra richness and nutrition. Your crispy Suji Teatime biscuits are ready. Enjoy with tea or coffee. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.